The AVR FOV 0.14 from Starrett is an expansion to the AVR series. Ideal for repetitive measurements and automatic comparisons to CAD files. The AVR 0.14X has a granite base and precision XY stage with 12" by 8" of stage travel, providing excellent stability and accuracy. Dedicated 0.14X telecentric optics allows the user to fit up to 2.3 by 1.9 inches within the field of view, or stitch multiple images together with Superimage technology on a 24" touchscreen monitor. Touch probe capability allows the AVR FOV to seamlessly integrate multi-sensor measurement into the inspection process. The AVR FOV is equipped with M3 software and a touchscreen monitor that are both intuitive and user-friendly, minimizing training time. Part measurement programs are easy to write and initiate. Full CNC control ensures accurate, repeatable results every time. Brilliant LED lighting provides crisp video edge detection. A wide range of accessories are available from Starrett to enhance the productivity of the AVR, including workstations, part-holding fixtures, rotary indexers, and more. For more information, contact Starrett